Consciot LED Vanity Lights. The Consciot LED vanity lights are a sleek and modern addition to any bathroom or dressing area. With their white color and plastic material, they seamlessly blend with any decor style, adding a touch of elegance to your space. One of the standout features of these vanity lights is their LED technology. LED lights are known for their energy efficiency and long lifespan, making them an ideal choice for everyday use. The Consciot LED vanity lights provide bright and even illumination, ensuring that you have a well-lit environment for all your grooming needs. Installation of these vanity lights is a breeze. They come with all the necessary hardware and can be easily mounted on the wall above your mirror or directly onto the mirror itself. The included instructions are clear and concise, guiding you through the process step by step. The design of the Consciot LED vanity lights is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. LED lights are known for their energy efficiency and long lifespan, making them an ideal choice for everyday use.